Hey guys, it's me, Julia. In this video, I'll be going over practice test 3, no calculator section, question 9. So let's get started. This is a system of equations question. So note that down somewhere. In the system of equations above, k is a constant and x and y are variables. Okay. For what value of k will the system of equations have no solution? So it's just solving for k, and you just need to know the types of equations. So whenever you're given two sets of equations, you know it's a system of equations, and usually it's written in the question itself. And for it really depends on how many solutions, right? If there is a solution, the two equations will have an answer. Will have an answer. It'll be just two different equations. If it has infinitely many solutions, there are going to be two identical equations. And if there are no solutions, however, the slope is going to be the same, but the y-intercept is going to be different. And in this question, it's asking us for the no solution. So let me just quickly show you how it might look like on a graph. So if this is the graph, a no solution would be like this, two parallel lines. And the reason why this is a no solution set of equations is because they're parallel, right? They will never cross each other. They're the same distance, and you might have done the angles for these, but it will never cross. So the thing is, they can't have the same y-intercept. The only requirement for a no solution is that the slope is the same. So what we need to do is that we need to make the slopes for these two equations the same. And how would we do that? Well, the easiest way is to construct the linear equation, so y equals mx plus b form, and we are going to do that. So that is going to be so you can just so that's for the first one on the top. For the second one, yeah, make sure you don't get mixed up with all the signs, right? Okay, so as I explained, this y-intercept part can be different. If it's asking for an infinitely many solution system of equations, then it has to be the same. But in this case, no. The only thing that needs to be the same are these two. And we can do this by equating the two. So we are just going to do k over 3 equals 4 over 5. And then that is going to be, we'll multiply both sides by 3 and 12 over 5. So that is going to be your answer.